Hello everyone, I'm Kate and I'm here to teach you how to register on Jiji as a seller. Now, you downloaded the Jiji app and you want to register. First thing you do is, on the home page, you click on profile at the bottom. Then you have to register. You have an option between English and Hausa, even in Nigerian. So, it's already in English, I don't need to change that. I can continue with my Google account, continue with Facebook, or log in with an email or a phone number. So, this is if you're already registered online. And let's say you use a new phone or something, you want to change it for one reason or the other. But if you don't have an account, you can simply create one at the bottom. But since I already have an account, I simply continue and log in with my Google account. So once I do that, it will open up like this. And then I click on the settings up here. And then you see business information. Select business information. Then you're asked to put in your store address, business hours. You add everything, you fill it up. You also have company name, description, and links. You click on it and you fill up everything. Then the delivery method and everything, you fill it up. And that's it. That is how to register as a seller on Jiji.